Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how we integrated Salesforce with Vue.js. Let me first tell you about the client's requirements. The client wanted to make a portal using Salesforce CRM and Vue.js as front-end technology. Currently, Vue.js is the best framework for the front-end. The client requirements are as follows. Generate application number. The first step is filling in credentials. After filling in the credentials, a unique application number will be generated and then the application number will be emailed on the particular email. Choose relationship. The second step is to choose a relationship with a child applying for it. Filling the wish form. After choosing the relationship, we have the form called wish form, where the users fill all the credentials in steps where we have to fill an address. There will be a Google address lookup. Comment and signature setup. The last step is the comment section and a signature pad where the user signs, and after clicking submit, all the data saved in the Salesforce and redirect to the another page. Dashboard for a medical specialist and social worker. A dashboard for medical specialists and social workers where all the associates under the particular doctor and social worker. Now, moving on to the solution. In this project, we created a dashboard that lets the doctor log in after successfully filling the credentials. The doctor can review the appointment lists and approve the form. We also created a consent form when the user who fills the form is not the child's mother, father, or legal guardian. Then an email is sent to the parent's email to verify the form. A detailed form is created that is used when the form is filled by someone other than the doctor. Along with this, we added functionality that let users access the form from where they left. These are the technologies we used in this project: Vue.js, Salesforce, Vuex, and Design View. So let's take a look at the form. And then when we clicked on continue, it will generate a unique application number, and the unique application number will be emailed to the particular mail. And then we choose the relationship. And here we have a wish form of the user. And we have already have a dashboard. It is accessible for a doctor and social workers. So we have to fill in the email and password and select a role. An OTP has been sent to the particular email ID. After successfully login, we come to the doctor's dashboard, and this is the chart of the doctor. And here we have an appointment list of the doctor. Here it is the two applications under the particular doctor, and we have a detail, so we have to click the details. And when the doctor signs and clicks the complete, it will convert to the approved status. We come here to detail and come here to this particular step for the doctor's approval. That's all about this project case study. Do you want to leverage the end-to-end integration services to streamline the business processes for optimized results and increase efficiency? We at Forcebolt offer excellent website design, web development, and mobile app development and API integration services to help your business grow. We ensure in delivering best-in-class integration services to help your website work excellently in all mobile screen sizes and also fit on every browser.